UMLE ke Nongkrem Bah Ardent Basaiawmoit hynne ke sngi ula wanrah dak amat iatai Ïing dorbar halor ke jingnang kiew ke jingkylla ke suinbneng ha ke Jylla dak baong ba ke Jingshit ha Shillong Kam Iapher Shuh Kum ha Assam Haba jubab halor kane kamat iatai Symbud Myntri Rangbah ba Prestone Tynsong ula kubur ba ke jingkylla ke suinbneng tadi ke ktah satlak ke pyrthei hadu ba ke Jingshit ke kiew na ke julong baro ktah uang ba ke sorkar Meghalaya ke shimkhia kumno banyak kun yakini baro kenang banna ban penduna yakini ke jingkylla ke suinbneng ha ke Jylla da ke babu ha khmat ya ke rep karyang ki telong ki klau ki betap bat buon kiwe
make it as brief as possible, please. Thank you.
So, at the outset, I would like to thank you for allowing me to raise this very important issue in the form of the short duration discussion. So, I would like to place on record that when I rise to speak on behalf of the Voice of the People Party and on behalf of the people of Meghalaya, that the party is not against the development of the state. However, sir, we feel that we cannot lose sight of the fact that the environment also needs equal attention from the government. I would like to share my concern with in this August House. And for the benefit of this August House, I have with me a statement on climate for the state of Meghalaya 2023, which was issued by the Climate Research Services India Meteorological Department. So, in this statement, we had seen that a mention was made that the maximum temperature were above normal by 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperatures were above normal by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius, and mean temperature were above normal by 1 to 1.5 degrees Celsius over most parts of the state. And the daily minimum temperature, sir, was above normal on most of the days during the year, with its peak seen in February and December. Similarly, daily maximum temperature was also above normal on most of the days during the year, with its peak seen in September and November. This is the statement made by the Office of the India Meteorological Department, sir, as far as the state of Meghalaya is concerned during 2023. So, and for the benefits of this August House, I would also like to mention that according to the report of the expert committee appointed in accordance with para 5123 of 1 Journal of the Supreme Court interim direction in writ petitions, so the state government in this case has notified and admitted that as per the State of Forest Report 1995 published by the Forest Survey of India, the total forest cover in the state is recorded as 15,714 square kilometers. And it was recorded and classified in different categories. For example, number 1, forest areas directly under the control of the State Forest Department of Meghalaya, reserve forest, protected forest, national parks, proposed Nongkrem Reserve, Gittingri Reserve Forest, areas on the parks and gardens, forests on the areas in the campus of Northeastern Hills University, forest areas on the defense, and forests under the Giant Hills Autonomous District Council, forests under the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, so on and so forth, sir. So I'm sure that if the government is conducting a cadastral survey today, it will not be able to get this figure that was recorded in the forest as far as the area is concerned. So, sir, in fact, on behalf of the party, we had tried to get an appointment with the Chief Minister to discuss on certain issues as far as the environment is concerned. But, sir, sadly to say that the Chief Minister was not willing to meet us and discuss across the table. which is why, on behalf of the party, I had given a letter to the Chief Minister expressing our opposition as far as a few areas is concerned. So we know, sir, that a few months ago, the Chief Minister had announced several projects to be implemented in the state, which include setting up of new industrial unit at Bernihat, beautification of Lake, commercial building at Polo Junction, mechanized multi-level car parking at Vivekananda Road near Additional Secretariat and Polo Ground and Polo Commercial Complex, a beautification of Yodo Market, improvement and beautification of 5 lakes in the state and Watts Lake Promenade, conversion of Panang Lake Park into a parking space, and Shillong Peak Ropeway project at Lom Shillong. These are the issues of concern where I would like to bring to the notice of this August House. And sir, as far as this project, this Shillong Peak Ropeway project at Lom Shillong, it has come to our notice. I don't know, it's for the government to clarify whether it is a fact or not, but there is the plan on the part of the government in the process of implementing this project that trees will be felled in that Lom Shillong for more than 1,000 trees. So sir, I think that is not acceptable. So if that is the case, the government needs, we are not against that project, sir, but we feel that an alignment needs to be changed so that it will not affect, because that area has been known also as a catchment area, sir. So, sir, coming to other projects also, like the Panang Lake Park, which the Chief Minister had mentioned that it will be converted. What we feel now, sir, we feel that what Shillong needs today, Shillong today needs more green patches of land. So therefore, sir, we feel that the Watts Lake, so that we will not have to pay the price in the future, sir. So, as per the data, we have seen that the rise in temperature is increasing day by day. We are now experiencing burning heat in Shillong. Shillong, which has been known as one of the best hill stations, is now slipping away. It is no longer a hill station. The temperature in Shillong is not too much difference from Assam. So sir, I feel that in order to mitigate climate change and to put a check on the rise of temperature, the government should designate more green patches of land around Shillong. I also fail to understand, sir, why the government decides to start this medical college here in Civil Hospital. I fail to understand. Sir, in one way the government is trying to decongest Shillong, and on the other way the government is bringing projects in